How to get rid of excess body fat with apple cider vinegar weight loss remedy. Apple cider vinegar (ACV) is another common, but effective natural remedy for obesity. According to research, ACV aids weight loss by promoting the metabolism of fats in the body. Drinking a mixture of raw ACV 2 teaspoons with water 1 glass twice daily is a natural way of not only reducing excess fat, but can also help to prevent the accumulation of fat in the body. It is important to state here that taking more than 2 tablespoons of ACV in one day can cause hypokalemia. How to prepare apple cider vinegar weight loss mixture. Mix 250 milliliters water with 2 teaspoons of raw organic apple cider vinegar. Ensure you get the organic apple cider vinegar with mother as seen here. Take 2 tablespoons twice daily. Please do not overdose on this mixture as it can cause hypokalemia, nausea and upset stomach. Raw apple cider vinegar is dangerous to your health as it can increase the acidity level of your stomach. The best time to take apple cider vinegar for weight loss and fat reduction is early in the morning before you eat and before bed. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below for more research-based home remedies and natural health tips. Follow us on Facebook at Natural Herb Cures and Twitter at Natural Herb Cure.